Outback Armour are one of the sponsors of Black Duck Valley 4x4 Park's Weekend of Wheeling. I'm on my way out there. Come with me and see what it's like.
2.5 hours drive out of Brisbane, nestled in the Lockyer Valley region, sits Black Duck Valley 4x4 Park, a property with views like this. I arrived early, did some social media with Hayden, the park manager.
What is Weekend of Wheeling?
Mate, Weekend of Wheeling is basically just a social weekend, a chance to get your daily car out, have a bit of fun. There's a bunch of good prizes, activities, competitions. Mate, we got the lot going on, so definitely try and head on out and you won't be disappointed.
Then jumped into his vehicle, leading a convoy, and asked him some questions about the park.
We're going to take everyone up to the top of the lookout up here at the park. And we'll see if we can catch that sunset in time. I think we'll be right. Pretty magical up here, mate.
It's a pretty cool park. Tell us a little bit about it.
800 acres of usable tracks out here. We can cater for everyone, so everything through to your easy, beginner stuff, through intermediate, and then for the guys that like the extreme stuff, there's plenty of that as well. We get a really eclectic mix. We get a lot of the four-drive clubs that come out. It's a perfect training ground for a lot of those guys to learn the ropes and be comfortable in maybe a new car or a new environment. We get a lot of family guys that come out, spend time with the kids. The funny ones that I like, we get the ones that come and bring the parents out. You always hear the screams from the windows over the sliders pump, so that's always fun.
That's me screaming, mate.
Yeah.
That's what I was blown away by the first time I came out. Your amenities, hot running water.
Yep.
You've got bathrooms.
Yep.
Canteen that's open, plenty of food. I like my snacks, so there was plenty. I don't even think I cooked anything.
That's good, yeah. So we really try to provide all that, and we're still hanging on to the fact that we're one of the cheapest parks to visit.
We got to the lookout. Met some of the crew. Took in the sunset. And admired that view. A ripper of a day, chill vibes. It was back to camp, eat round the campfire, then the lights out, because tomorrow was going to be a big one. The crowd gathered early for the first event, Gymkhana, a timed race on the specialist built off-road track. I jumped in on a track walk with Jeff from the YouTube channel Do It in the Dirt. He pointed out some of the lines he might take.
Go around the bank.
The rules, you ask?
Fastest time wins. Don't break it.
Then it was all systems go. I reckon in life, the people having the most fun win. Listen to the laughter coming from Titan Terrain's vehicle on this lap. Winners in my book. After Gymkhana, we headed over to the flex ramp. Jimneys, Jeeps and all manner of vehicle tested how much travel and droop was in their setups. I took the chance to get some snacks before the next big event.
King of the Hill knockouts, mate. So 3 attempts, 3 hills, process of elimination. So if you can't get it up the hill in those 3 attempts, you're knocked out. To this day, nobody has successfully driven this one.
Famous last words from Hayden. The King of the Hill started with all 20 competitors make it easily up the first hill. The second hill was easy for some. But not for everyone. The third and middle hill thinned the herd and provided disappointment for some. And carnage for others. Then we were told to make way for a ranger that was coming up the hill fast. He'd been stewing on Hayden's words earlier, and he was dead keen on being the first up. This paved the way for others, just like Roger Bannister breaking the 4-minute mile and the floodgates opened. A walk around the show and shine in the afternoon, meeting everyone and seeing a Hilux that caught my eye. And something took my fancy. I like this old school Hilux here. Tom, the owner, has just finished restoring the cab and rebuilding it, and I was stoked for him to show me around his rig. Then it was time for food and celebrations, a perfect finish to an action-packed day.
There we go, Black Duck Valley Weekend of Wheelin complete. What a great weekend. What an awesome turnout. Some wicked rigs, lots of fun, and lots of good people. There's a couple more events coming up for Outback Armour. We've got the Gari cleanup, a number of shows. Thanks Black Duck Valley 4x4 Park for involving us, and we're looking forward to the next one.